Well, the pandemic has struck businesses hard, bringing entire sectors to their knees, but some have managed to weather the storm. Still, the coronavirus has changed the business landscape over the past year.
When COVID-19 spread across the globe, regions shut their borders and went into lockdown to contain the virus. Governments imposed tough restrictions, turning once bustling cities into ghost towns. With physical stores out of reach, people turned online to meet their needs. E-commerce giant Amazon became the emergency port of call for those stocking up on vital household goods. The shift to online shopping and the increased importance of its cloud computing business drove Amazon's stock to all-time highs. Confined to their homes and starved of amusement, consumers rewarded entertainment platforms. Netflix added nearly 16 million global subscribers in the first quarter. That's a 23% jump from last year and double its forecast. The streaming giant welcomed another 12 million subscribers by the third quarter. Those stuck at home in China turned to Tencent's virtual worlds, shelling out cash for new weapons and outfits. Its online gaming revenues rose 31% in the first quarter. And of course, one of the defining moments of this year, working from home. Video conferencing app Zoom became a household name and saw its revenue soar 169% by the end of April. Microsoft's shift to the cloud also made it a big winner, with large numbers of people working remotely. It added almost $270 billion to its market cap in the first half of the year. Closer to home in Southeast Asia, we've also seen an explosion in e-commerce. But changing consumer habits mean even tech-savvy businesses have to adapt. A study by the iPrize Group found that in countries including Thailand, Indonesia and Singapore, demand for non-essential items like fashion and smartphones slowed down significantly. On the other hand, demand for essential goods such as groceries and healthcare shot up. Almost all major e-commerce players are now riding this wave of food and health as important growth trends. Lazada has expanded its fresh produce category to Malaysia, Vietnam and Indonesia, while Vietnamese company Tiki introduced a service to deliver groceries in 3 hours. The social and economic upheavals brought about by the pandemic mean companies have to shift to digitalization to survive. Already we're seeing this change at warp speed. Such rapid digitalization could also help fast-track the economic recovery of a country. A study by Cisco and International Data Corporation estimates that the digital transformation of small and medium-sized businesses in the Asia-Pacific could add up to $3 trillion to the region's GDP by 2024.